students. My name is Dr. Pooja Agarwal, School of Business Management and Commerce. Today we are going to discuss the next series of leverage that is related to financial management, and topic name is leverage. So earlier we have discussed about the meaning of leverage and types of leverage. Today I am going to discuss the next topic. We are just revise the earlier topic. So first, earlier we have discussed that financial leverage is somewhere is connected with the using of fixed interest bearing security in our capital structure, and financial obligations is created under this. So we can say कि जो आपका फाइनेंशियल लीवरेज जो है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? फाइनेंशियल लीवरेज इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन one thing, that is a using of fixed capital bearing securities in our capital structure. Degree of financial leverage with the help of debt component in a company's capital structure. Higher the debt, higher would be FL, because the higher debt comes a higher amount of interest that needs to be paid. That is very very important कि अगर आप फाइनेंशियल लीवरेज को अगर आप कंसीडर करते हो तो यू हैव टू बियर द वन टाइप ऑफ रिस्क, that is you are using the debt and you will have to pay the high rate of interest. So it can be good and bad for a business depending on the situations. Yes, absolutely. So if the firm can generate higher ROI, then the interest rate is it is paying, leverage will have a positive effect on a shareholder return. How we can say कि this is the has a positive return? क्योंकि जब फर्म की ROI जब कंपनी जनरेट करती है, देन कंपनी इज एबल टू पे द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एंड लीवरेज विल हैव अ पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट ऑन अ शेयर होल्डर रिटर्न. उनकी रिटर्न भी हाई होती है क्योंकि उनका जो नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स होते हैं कम होते हैं. जितने नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स कम होंगे उनकी रिटर्न हाई होगी. द डार्कर साइड इज सेड सिचुएशन इज अपोजिट. हायर लीवरेज कैन टेक अ बिजनेस द वर्स्ट केस लाइक अ बैंक्रप्सी. इफ द कंपनी विल नॉट गेट गुड रिटर्न on their investment, then they have face a problem of bankruptcy due to non-payment of interest. Now move further. Next part is operating leverage. When we are discussing about the operating leverage, we simply say using the asset on which we have to bear the fixed expenses. That is called operating leverage. Just like a financial, it is result of operating fixed expenses. Higher the fixed expenses, higher will the operating leverage. Like financial leverage has an impact on its shareholder return. And how? क्योंकि आपको पता है there are two types of expenses. One is fixed, another one is variable. कंपनी को fixed expenses bear करने ही पड़ते हैं. Company will have to bear the fixed expenses whether the company earns good income or not. So under good economic condition, an increase 1% increase in sale will have more than 1% changes in operating profit. So you need to be careful in adding any leverage to your business. And these are financial or operating, as it can also work as a double-edged sword. So now move further. What is the meaning of combined leverage? When we are talking about the combined leverage, we simply say the combination of both. Means in a business we are using the fixed expenses for fixed operating expenses, and we are also using the fixed interest bearing security in our capital structure. So we are covering both risk. One is a fixed using the fixed expenses risk and using the fixed interest bearing security in our capital structure. What are the advantages? If we are talking about advantages, so we can say अगर हम if we are talking about operating leverage, operating profit can see sharp increase with slight changes in the sales, as most of the part of expenses are stagnant and cannot further increase with sales. अगर हम operating profits की बात करते हैं तो अगर आपके operating profit can see sharp increase with slight change in the sales, अगर आपकी sales में थोड़ा सा भी change होता है तो simultaneously major change आपकी profits पे होता है. तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि अगर आपने कोई फिक्स एक्सपेंसेस करे हैं जिससे आपकी सेल्स इंक्रीज हो रही है, आपने कोई मशीनरी बाय करी है जो आपकी प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी एज वेल एज सेल्स को इंक्रीज कर रही है, तो उस केस में हम कह सकते हैं कि जो हमारे एक्सपेंसेस है जो हमारी इनकम है that should be more than the expenses. If we consider about financial leverage, earning share of each shareholder will increase significantly with the increase in operating profit. अगर आपके पास किसी भी केस में आपका प्रॉफिट इंक्रीज हो रहा है बाय यूजिंग योर डेट, then it is beneficial for the company. Higher the degree of leverage, higher will be the percentage increase in operating profit and earning per share. That definitely it will automatically increase your earnings, increase your operating profit. When we are talking about the disadvantage of a leverage, what type of expenses disadvantage when you are using the leverage in your company? There are one and most important disadvantage. Sometimes company has to face the problem of bankruptcy. When company is company facing the problem of losses due to some unfavorable economic conditions or due to some changes in a market environment, then in that case fixed expenses extend the break-even point for a business. Break-even means minimum activity required for achieving a no loss no profit situations. Financial leverage increase the minimum requirement of operating profit to meet the interest expenses. If the activity level is not attained, bankruptcy or such losses become certain. Yes, definitely. So, financial manager always suggested that take the decision very cautiously. Otherwise, the firm or company has to face the problem of bankruptcy. Looking at pros and cons, it seems that balance is required between reward and risk. Definitely, when we are using leverage in our business or in our company, then we have to consider that the balance should be maintained. The degree leverage should not be too high, which invites bankruptcy, or on contrary, it should not be too low. We lose out on benefits, and the visibility of a business itself come under questions. So when we are talking about this, we have leverage. We have already discussed that leverage is concerned with the bearing of fixed expenses. So it may be a financial fixed expenses or it may be a fixed operating expenses. And there are three types. One is a financial, another business operating, and third one is a combined leverage. So this is the topic. Thank you. I hope this is clear.